video.
Welcome to my video. Hey guys, thanks so much for joining us today on Royalty Soaps. As you can tell from the title, today is a little bit different. I'm going to be making some soap with my daughter, Lily. It's going to be a really fun time. But before we jump into the video, I just wanted to remind y'all that today is release day. The Ardor collection will be available at royaltysoaps.com 3 p.m. Central Standard Time, and included in the collection we have 3 frosted soaps and 3 artisan soaps. So for the artisan soaps we have Ardor, Monochrome, and Oat Milk. And for the frosted soaps we have Amethyst Birthstone. This is our February birthstone. Tiffany Darling, inspired by Tiffany & Co. boxes. And Think Pink, inspired by the opening scene in Funny Face. If you're looking for a very unique gift to give your Valentine, your Galentine, or even yourself, that's what we're here for. We can help you out. If you're as excited about making soap with Lily as I am, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And without further ado, let's make some soap. Today is going to be a very fun, casual video with my daughter, Lily. She is going to be making some citrus wedge soap today. We got a kit from Bramble Berry. They were so generous. They sent us not 1, but 2 kits. 1 to give away to you guys at the end of this video, and 1 for us to make today. So Lily, are you ready to make some soap with Mama?
Mm-hmm.
Oh boy, let me go get the kit.
Lily, are you excited?
Yeah.
What are you gonna make?
I'm making my soap.
You're making your soap?
Yeah.
Soap for you, the Citrus Slice Soap Kit from Bramble Berry. Would you like to open it? Let me get you started. There you go. Oh. Ooh. Look how beautiful. Look at the colors. What color is this?
It's orange.
And what's the color is that one?
It's red.
That's right. How about this one?
What's this?
What color?
It's a soap.
Oh, it is a soap. Oh, there's a spray bottle.
Yeah. What?
Wow, I love it!
What else is in there?
Oh. What's this?
It's soap. Clear soap.
Oh, open it for you.
Okay, so the first thing we have to do is melt some white soap. So we're going to open this one first. You want to open this one?
No, I need to open this one.
It appears that Lily needs to take all of the color blocks out before we can move along. So in the meantime, I'm going to cut up about 3 ounces of this white melt and pour. I don't think those are scented. Can you pick these up? We need this number to be 3, so let's keep putting them in until it says 3. No, we don't have to push any buttons. We just put them in. Okay, Lil, we have 3 ounces, so we're going to turn this off. We're going to go heat this up in the microwave.
3 ounces!
3 ounces, all ready to be heated up in our microwave.
Bring microwave. I'm making soap with me. I'm making soap.
Oh, okay.
This is mine.
Oh, all right.
Look on too bit of you. Yeah.
You're it.
No, mine is it. Who is it?
Okay, you ready to spritz? Let me get started for you. All right, now you try.
Oh, you fingers dirty.
My fingers. Now Mama is going to put in some white soap. Now I want you to watch the middle of it while I do this. So for this next part, Lily, I want you to keep your hands right here. And I am going to pipe this into the holes, and you're going to watch and make sure I don't spill any. Does that look good to you?
Yeah. I opened all my soaps.
Did you make them all by yourself?
Yeah.
Do you like saying yeah?
Yeah.
Are you going to read me the instructions, Lily?
Yeah.
Okay, what do I have to do next?
This is orange for you and me, you.
Okay.
And for my sweat. For that. For that. The way the devil it is. Mommy's okay. And so for the baby, you for Mama to
we're ready to mix up the fruit part. Would you like to put those melt and pour pieces into here for me? Okay, now which color would you like to add to the soap?
I want that.
All right, would you like to add the color in? Put it right in here. We're gonna melt it all up and mix it in.
We just see the bin. What's in the
Video. Video.
It's the mama video.
It's a mama video.
It's not.
It's a your video.
Yeah.
Lily, do you have any cats?
No. Cats eat.
Cats are eat? Did you eat the cats?
That is in a backyard.
Oh, the cats are in the backyard.
Yeah.
What are their names?
Name is Albert and George.
Albert and George. Do you love Albert and George?
Yeah. I love them.
This is turning into a great interview.
Yeah. Mama loves them too.
I do. Oh, would you like to stir slowly?
Go slowly.
That's right. Good job. Look at the orange color, Lil. It's turning orange. Would you like to make it smell good? I'll let you smell the smell that's gonna go in, and you can tell me if you like it. This is the candied citrus fragrance oil.
What's it smell like?
It's soup. You don't like my soap.
I do like your soap.
Good job being careful. Now we're gonna let this sit for a little while until it gets a little thicker, okay? Do I spritz this one now? Okay. How about this one? Should I spritz this one? Okay. And this one too? All right. All of them have been spritzed.
How is that?
Okay, now are you going to help me pour it very carefully? First, we're going to pour it right here. Wow. This one now? And are you ready? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
She's a bandit.
Mama.
Oh, the pink one. Okay, we'll do that one next. So you say you'd like to do the pink soap next, huh?
Yeah.
All right, well then I'm going to cut you up some soap and I'll let you put it in the container again.
Yay.
All right, great job. You ready to add a little bit of pink? All right, let's add it in. Thank you. I'll go heat it up.
Okay, I got eat up.
All right, you ready to mix? Real slow. Here, move your hand up. You ready to add the fragrance in?
Yeah.
All right, you ready to pour the next color in? First, we're going to spritz. Do I spritz in here? All right. That one too? Okay. All right.
Oh my God.
Good job.
Yay!
All right, I'm going to pick this up and scoot it away while we let it sit. So we're going to wait until our soap sets up, and then I'm going to let Lily pop them out. I can't wait to see what she thinks of them whenever they get out of the mold. And in the meantime, we're going to go play outside. You ready to go play outside?
No.
Well, too bad. It has now been a few hours. Lily has had her bath. It's almost bedtime, but we thought we would come out and unmold your soaps real quick. I'll push and you pop them out. Here, ready? It is? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Oh, Lily. Those look great, Pumpkin. Y'all, what a wonderful kit from Bramble Berry. These look so good. They were so easy to do. Obviously, if a 2-year-old can help mom do them, you at home can do them too, I promise. Thanks everyone so much for watching, and thank you again, Bramble Berry, for sending us this wonderful kit. We had such a great time making it. As you can see, Lily is very impressed with her soaps. And like I said before, Bramble Berry has actually gifted us a kit to give away to you guys today. To enter to win, all you need to do is follow Royalty Soaps on Instagram and follow Bramble Berry on Instagram, and we will announce the giveaway winners there. Lily, do you need to say anything before it's time to go? Do you want to tell them anything before we say bye-bye?
I like my soap. You should like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, Bramble Berry. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.
What does this say?
This is for me.
But what does it say?
It say for me, hello.